IFS provides a market-leading enterprise asset management solution, helping organizations achieve complete asset resilience. Ensuring sustained asset reliability and availability is a constant challenge for asset owners. Grappling with the challenge of aging infrastructure, escalating maintenance and replacement costs in an increasingly regulated landscape. Achieving asset resilience becomes even more difficult when managing a multitude of assets across diverse locations, each with unique life cycles, varied maintenance requirements, and operating in distinct contexts. This is the everyday reality for asset-intensive industries. This challenge is often exacerbated by a patchwork of disparate systems, typically leading to operational blindness. Only by consolidating these processes with modern EAM solutions can organizations break through these barriers. IFS is trusted by the world's leading asset-intensive organizations, delivering solutions for energy, utilities and resources, manufacturing, construction and engineering, service industries, telecommunications, and aerospace and defense, supporting some of the world's most critical assets. True EAM is about more than just handling routine maintenance and work orders. It's about managing the end-to-end asset lifecycle. By embracing this comprehensive approach, organizations can not only optimize asset performance and extend their lifespan, but also significantly reduce waste and enhance sustainability, aligning their operations with the principles of the circular economy. Unifying maintenance and work management, asset performance management, and inventory establishes the core. And due to the unique breadth of IFS, organizations can take advantage of an integrated suite of capabilities, from AI-powered scheduling to capital project management. And because IFS Cloud is composable, you can implement the modules you need now and activate additional capabilities in the future. All of this is presented to your people on a modern and intuitive user experience, with an open architecture that allows you to easily integrate to other solutions, while effortlessly harnessing AI and other embedded innovations. Let's take a closer look at how IFS can help. Asset resiliency is established through adopting best practice as defined by the ISO 55000 series. At the heart are asset plans driven by policy, strategy, and objectives in a well-structured, reliability-centered framework. This is about balancing performance, cost, and risk through data-driven maintenance approaches, from break-fix through preventive schedules, condition-based maintenance, or even predictive or prescriptive maintenance based on operational context. During the work management phase, AI-driven dynamic scheduling enhances workforce allocation and boosts productivity by smartly assigning tasks based on skills, availability, and material constraints. Meanwhile, seamless field execution of work orders, paired with innovative remote assistance, ensures support is readily available, revolutionizing traditional operational methods and bolstering efficiency. Material management is more than having the right parts on hand when needed. It's about ensuring optimized inventory replenishment based on criticality. Through managing demand planning, efficient warehouse management, and data-driven strategic procurement decisions. This meticulous coordination guarantees replacement assets and repair parts are available precisely where and when needed, whilst minimizing impact on working capital. With the foundational elements in place, asset performance management is where the magic happens, steering us towards predictive maintenance. IoT connects and monitors assets in real time, while AI for anomaly detection and time series forecasting scrutinize data, predicting issues before they arise. Asset Health Insights offer a deep dive into asset conditions, ensuring maintenance is not just timely but also precisely targeted, embodying the shift from reactive to predictive and proactive asset maintenance. Asset lifecycle management extends beyond operations, encompassing robust project management for new assets, refurbishments, or decommissioning. It's crucial to navigate capital programs with strong governance, managing schedules, budgets, and risks effectively. Monitoring performance across portfolios is essential. A digital asset handover, post-completion, ensures continuity, preserving a unified data thread from inception through operations to decommissioning, optimizing the asset's lifecycle. By unifying these processes, asset owners can stride towards enhanced asset reliability and availability, reduced operational costs through efficiency improvements, simplified regulatory and ESG compliance, data-driven insights, and transition towards proactive maintenance. This is the formula for achieving complete asset resilience.